Coral reefs are incredible to see. They are like underwater cities for the animals and plants that live in the oceans. Thousands of different kinds of plants and animals can be found in a single coral reef. Tens of thousands of other life forms, or species, depend upon coral reefs for their survival. The greatest variety, or diversity, of life on land is found in tropical rainforests. In the oceans, that honor goes to coral reefs. For this reason, coral reefs are known as the rainforests of the sea.
Apex, the one you know by. Don't you ever ask them why. If they told you, you would cry. So just look at them and sigh.
A coral reef contains many more kinds of life than just coral polyps. Smaller fish and other ocean creatures need protected areas where they can rest and reproduce. The reef structures and the plants that grow around them provide the hiding places they need to do this. This in turn attracts larger creatures called predators who feed on the smaller creatures.
And so please help your...
People in many countries depend on the fish that gather on or near coral reefs. Some people make their living by catching these fish and selling them. Other people, especially in poorer countries, depend on reef fish as their main source of food. Coral reefs help us in other ways as well. They act as barriers against waves, helping to protect shores and houses from washing away in storms. They are also a place where biologists find many unfamiliar life forms to study. Sometimes these biologists discover new medicines that help keep us alive. For example, a few types of sponges found on reefs in the Caribbean may contain a substance that can help fight cancer. You might not realize it, but nearly everything we all do every day has an effect on our environment. Deciding what foods to eat, what products to use, or even what you do on your vacations can either help the environment or hurt it. There's simply no getting around it because everything comes from our environment and is eventually returned to it in some form. By learning which choices are helpful and which are harmful, we can each do our part to keep our coral reefs and our entire planet healthy. The quality of our own lives and the lives of people in the future depends on us.
That you can live by, and so become yourself, because the past is just a goodbye. Teach your children well, their father's help.